Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I hope it's a good review for our impending doom, our AP exam. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys about the production's possibility curve. And the comedic value of this project is that I'm doing it by myself in my room alone. So here we go. Okay, so sometimes called a production possibility curve, production possibility boundary, or a product transformation curve. The PPC is a graph representing production trade-offs of an economy given fixed resources. So in its microeconomic application, the graph shows the various combinations of amounts of two commodities that an economy can produce. So like the number of guns versus butter, that's like the common AP exam example of the PPC, or using a fixed amount of each of the factors of production. So PPCs are normally drawn as bulging upwards from the origin and look concave like this. So that's what they look like. And remember that with PPCs we assume ceteris paribus that the economy we're studying produces only two goods that we're observing. So in this chart, first we're going to be observing the PPC of kippas and sunglasses. Fun stuff just laying around. So in this chart you can see the production possibilities of kippas and sunglasses. So you can see that if you're producing only sunglasses, you can produce 30, but you can't produce any kippas. And that if you're producing all kippas, you can produce 4, but you won't be able to produce any sunglasses. So this is the chart, and the PPC shows different combinations of two goods that can be produced using full employment of all resources. So if you're using all of your resources to make sunglasses, you can make 30, but you can't make any kippas. And if you're using all of them to make kippas, you can make 4, but you can't make any sunglasses. So to get the PPC curve, you just have to plot the different numbers onto a graph, and you get this. So you can see at 0 kippas, you have... No, I've done so many takes. You need to just leave.
Were you doing this to yourself?
Yes,
All
this
right,
is by myself.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Love you.
This will just be in it. Okay. Here we go. If you're making 0 kippas, you can have 30 sunglasses, and then if you have 0 sunglasses, you have 4 kippas. So there is the PPC. Did you do it? Good. So the opportunity cost from A to D was 15 pens. The opportunity cost from B to C was 4 pens. The opportunity cost from E to D was 1 marker. And from C to A, the opportunity cost was 2 markers. So good job, Tristan. I know you got those right. Yeah. Quick reminder, there are 2 types of opportunity cost: constant opportunity cost and increasing opportunity cost. And here's what they look like. So you have constant over here, everything's backwards. And then you have, increasing opportunity cost here. So with constant, that's if you have like the same resources to make both things. So like corn and wheat, you use the same resources to make corn as you do to make wheat. So that's where you get constant. And then increasing opportunity cost is when you have 2 different resources to make these things. So you might have more resources to make one and then less to make another, so that's why you get that. That's what they look like. So these are 2 types of PPC curves. So the PPC can also shift. Who knew? Shifts in the PPC can be caused by an increase in the quantity or quality of goods, or by an increase or decrease in the level of technology available for use. So for example, you can look at this PPC graph of the production of cars and wheat. So this one is in 1920, and then this one's in like now. So you can see that it moves outwards because we obviously have more technology to make more, faster, and better. So yeah. So the PPC can also shift due to specialization in trade, and this doesn't increase the ability for a country's production, but it does increase their ability to obtain more of a product. So they can't produce more because of trade, but they just get more. So that's good. So let's practice. So answer whether each number would shift the PPC outward or inward. So 1 would be better technology and faster computers. 2 would be an earthquake occurs that destroys power plants. 3 is high unemployment. Okay, so now pause the video, and when you're all done, you can resume it. Cool. Okay, so here are the answers. 1, it would go out. 2, it would go in. 3, none. Trick question. With high unemployment, workers are still alive and able, so the economy is operating at a point within the PPC inefficiently. So it would be like a point right here, but it wouldn't shift. So good job, guys. Hope this helped. This was embarrassing for me. Hope this helps you. So here, if you look at the PPC, Mom, please don't ask. It's for school.